I am a reproductive urologist and men's health specialist. So the primary part of my practice is infertility, which means I see young couples who are struggling to conceive. It's a relationship not just with the male, who's obviously our patient, but also with the female partner. And we work together. We combine forces with the reproductive endocrinologists and the female fertility doctors. We sort through what potentially could be the source of their problems from a male perspective, whether it's lifestyle or smoking or exposures at work from certain chemicals or structural problems within the testicle or the genitals. And we try and find solutions. We can offer them surgery to either fix the structural problem or to go in and find sperm within the testicle and remove it and then use that for in vitro fertilization. The other part of my practice is older gentlemen who have sexual dysfunction, erectile dysfunction, enlarged prostate. Quality of life is really important. And for many of these men, this is what defines a large part of who they are and their satisfaction with themselves and their self-image. And so we work primarily on erections as a quality of life issue because no one's going to live longer if we treat their erections. But they'll live more happy lives, they'll be more active, they'll be more confident, and that plays a huge role in their the overall well-being. I think it's important to know that there are always options and there are always potential avenues that we can take. And so even though it seems like hope is lost, there's always something we can do. And we talk about those options in detail and we explore them and we find what works for each person individually. So I have 3 children at home who are the light of my life. I have a wife who's beautiful and amazing, and we've been together for 22 years now. And then outside of all that, I'm also a photographer. There's a lot of parallels between what I do at work and what I do when I'm not at work. And often that's finding key moments or snapshots that make everything else make sense.